let us have some important indexes which we have to prepare and go for Prelims 2018. Gender Inequality Index. Gender Inequality Index. It is given by UNDP, United Nations Development Program. India ranks 125 out of 159 countries. India ranks 125 out of 159 countries in Gender Inequality Index given by UNDP. It measures reproductive health, empowerment and labor market. Gender Inequality Index measures reproductive health, women empowerment and labor market. Living Planet Index. Living Planet Index is given by WWF, Worldwide Fund for Nature. It is an indicator of global biodiversity, biological diversity. Living Planet Index was developed by WWF in collaboration with UNEP, United Nations Environmental Program, and World Conservation Monitoring Center. World Conservation Monitoring Center. This is Living Planet Index. Next, Global Manufacturing Index. Global Manufacturing Index is given by World Economic Forum, WEF. India's rank is 30 out of 100. It is released as per World Economic Forum's first readiness for the future of production report. So, Global Manufacturing Index is given by World Economic Forum and India's rank is 30 out of 100. Next, Global Slavery Index. Global Slavery Index. It is given by Walk Free Foundation, Australia based Walk Free Foundation. India ranked first in terms of number of modern day slaves in the world. In Global Slavery Index, India ranks first in terms of number of modern day slaves in the world. Global Slavery Index is given by Walk Free Foundation. Rule of Law Index. Rule of Law Index is given under World Justice Project. Rule of Law Index is given under World Justice Project. They started giving Rule of Law Index in 2016. It measures 113 countries about the justice delivery and other issues. 113 countries. Rule of Law Index is given by World Justice Project. Corruption Perception Index. Corruption Perception Index is given by an international NGO called Transparency International. Corruption Perception Index is given by an international NGO called Transparency International. India's rank this year was 81 out of 180. India's rank is 81 out of 180 countries. Next, Global Peace Index. Global Peace Index. Global Peace Index is given by Sydney-based think tank, Institute of Economies and Peace. Institute of Economies and Peace will give Global Peace Index. India's rank is 137 out of 163 countries. Global Peace Index. Next, SDG Index, Sustainable Development Goals Index. It is given by Sustainable Development Solutions Network. SDG Index is given by Sustainable Development Solutions Network. India's rank is 116 out of 157. World Migration Report. World Migration Report is given by International Organization for Migration. World Migration Report is given by International Organization for Migration. As per the Indian diaspora, as per this World Migration Report, Indian diaspora constitutes 6% of total migrants. And Producer Managerial Index given by Nikki. Producer Managerial Index is given by Nikki. Next, Logistics Performance Index. Logistics Performance Index is given by World Bank. Logistics Performance Index is given by World Bank. India's rank is 35th among 160 countries. In Logistics Performance Index, India's rank is 35th among 160 countries. Logistics Performance Index have 6 components. Number 1, quality of trade and transport infrastructure. Quality of trade and transport infrastructure. Number 2, competence of quality and logistic services. Competence of quality and logistic services. Number 3, efficiency of customs and border management clearance. Efficiency of customs and border management clearance. And these are few important components of Logistic Performance Index. Logistic Performance Index is given by World Bank. Next, Ease of Living Index. Ease of Living Index given by World Bank. Ease of Living Index given by World Bank. Next, Environmental Performance Index, which is very important for exam. Environmental Performance Index. India's rank is 177 out of 180 countries. Environmental Performance Index, India's rank is 177 out of 180 countries. It is given by Yale University and Columbia University in collaboration with World Economic Forum. Yale University and Columbia University in collaboration with World Economic Forum. This Environmental Performance Index is very important. They may give directly who will give Environmental Performance Index. It is World Economic Forum. Next, Global IT Report. India's rank is 91. Global IT Report, India's rank is 91. It is given by World Economic Forum. It is given by World Economic Forum, Global IT Report. Next, UN Habitat, World Cities Report. World Cities Report is given by UN Habitat. World Cities Report is given by UN Habitat. Features are urbanization and development. In India, Mumbai and Delhi have massive expansion in urban population. In India, Mumbai and Delhi have massive expansion in urban population. Next, World Happiness Report, very important for exam. India's rank is 122 out of 155 countries. World Happiness Report, important for exam. India's rank is 122 out of 155 countries. World Happiness Report is given by UN Sustainable Development Solution Network. World Happiness Report is given by UN Sustainable Development Solutions Network on the eve of International Day of Happiness. We have to remember, in India, Madhya Pradesh, the state government have started a separate ministry called Happiness Ministry. A minister separately for happiness. So, Happiness Report is given by UN Sustainable Development Solutions Network, and this is important. Some of the factors are inequality, life expectancy, GDP per capita, public trust, social support, etc. GDP per capita, public trust, social support, etc. They are the measurements, some of the measurements in World Happiness Report. Next is Human Development Index is given by UNDP. HDI is given by UNDP. In that, literacy, life expectancy and standard of living. Literacy, life expectancy and standard of living. Multi-dimensional poverty index is also given by UNDP. Multi-dimensional poverty index is also given by UNDP. Next, Inclusive Development Index. India's rank is 60 out of 79. Inclusive Development Index given by World Economic Forum. Inclusive Development Index, India's rank is 60 out of 79 given by World Economic Forum. Next, Emission Gap Report. Emission Gap Report given by United Nations Environmental Program. Emission Gap Report given by United Nations Environmental Program. The aim is reducing emissions, climate change and removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Next, Global Education Monitoring Report published by earlier published by IMF and World Bank. Now it is published by UNESCO. Global Education and Monitoring Report. Next, World Inequality Report published by UNDP. World Inequality Report published by UNDP to promote research on global inequality dynamics. To promote research on global inequality dynamics. Next, Global Prosperity Index. Global Prosperity Index. India's rank is 100 out of 149. Given by London-based Legutum Institute. LEGUTUM. Global Prosperity Index is given by London-based Legutum Institute. Parameters: academic quality, environment, education, security, social capital, natural environment, etc. Next, Global Gender Gap Index. It is given by World Economic Forum. Gender Inequality Index is given by UNDP. Gender Gap Index is given by World Economic Forum. India's rank is 108 out of 144. India's rank is 108 out of 144. Next, Internet Readiness Index. Internet Readiness Index. It was published by Internet and Mobile Association. Next, Global Cyber Security Index, very important for exam. Global Cyber Security Index. It is given by International Telecommunications Union. It is given by International Telecommunications Union. To protect the cyber attacks, hacking, etc. India's rank is 23rd. Global Cyber Security Index. India's rank is 23rd. Next, very important, Global Innovation Index. Global Innovation Index. India's rank is 60 out of 130. Global Innovation Index. India's rank is 60 out of 130. It is given by World Intellectual Property Organization. Remember, innovation, intellectual property. World Innovation Index, Global Innovation Index, WIPO, along with Cornell University and INSEAD Foundation. Along with Cornell University and INSEAD Foundation. Next, Environmental Performance Index, already we have discussed. It is given by World Economic Forum along with Yale University and Columbia University. Next, in India, ESSER report, Annual Survey on Education report, given by Pradham, an NGO. ESSER report, Pradham, an NGO. Next, Indian Health Report. In India, Indian Health Report is given by Niti Aayog. It is given by Niti Aayog. Global Competitiveness Report. Global Competitiveness Report. India's rank is 40 out of 137. India's rank is 40 out of 137. Given by World Economic Forum. World Investment Report. Given by UNCTAD, UNCTAD. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. World Investment Report is given by UNCTAD. Its aim is to observe the trends in FDI worldwide. Observe the trends in FDI worldwide and increasing more number of FDIs. Next, Technology and Innovation Report. Technology and Innovation Report given by UNCTAD, UNCTAD. Technology and Innovation Report given by UNCTAD, UNCTAD. Very important report this year, Global Hunger Index. Given by International Food Policy Research Institute. Global Hunger Index given by International Food Policy Research Institute. India's rank is 100 out of 119 countries. India's rank is 100 out of 119 countries. Parameters: child wasting. Child wasting, WASTING. Child wasting means the weight of the child is very low for height. Child stunting, low height for the age. Stunting means low height for the age. And under 5 mortality, undernourishment. These are the parameters based on which Global Hunger Index is given. Next, Ease of Doing Business Index. This year, Ease of Doing Business Index, we got a lot of laurels. India's rank was improved. Now it was 100 out of 190 countries. Ease of Doing Business Index is given by World Bank. Already this question is asked 2 years back in prelims. Ease of doing business index is given by World Bank. Already this question is asked 2 years back in prelims. India's rank is 100. The indicators of, there are 10 indicators. There are 10 indicators in ease of doing business index. Starting a business, first indicator. Starting a business, dealing with construction permits, getting electricity, registering property, getting credit, protecting minority investors, paying taxes, trading across borders, enforcing contracts, resolving insolvency. All these indicators carry equal weightage. This time they may ask you about parameters. Rather than who gives the particular report, they may ask you these parameters. Next, World Economic Outlook is given by IMF, International Monetary Fund, biannually. World Economic Outlook is given by IMF biannually. Next, World Oil Outlook given by OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. World Oil Outlook given by OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. World Energy Outlook given by International Energy Agency. World Energy Outlook given by International Energy Agency. Next, Energy Transition Index given by WEF, World Economic Forum. India's rank is 78 by 114. World Transition Index, India's rank is 78 by 114. And Global Financial Stability Report is given by International Monetary Fund. Global Financial Stability Report is given by International Monetary Fund. Government at a Glance Report, biannual, is given by OECD. The most interesting thing about Government at a Glance Report, which is given by Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, is India's rank is third. India's rank is third. In Government at a Glance Report, India's rank is third. It records trust level of the people towards their government. Government at a Glance Report records trust level of the people towards their government, and India's rank is third. Very interesting and very happy to share this. And next important report is Global Land Outlook. Global Land Outlook. It is given by United Nations Convention for Combating Desertification. Global Land Outlook to combat desertification. Okay, next is World Social Protection Report. World Social Protection Report is given by ILO. World Social Protection Report is given by ILO. Legatum, Legatum, Legatum Prosperity Index. India's rank is 100 by 149. It is given by London-based institution. Legatum, Legatum. World Employment and Social Outlook, very important this year. World Employment and Social Outlook. It is given by ILO. World Employment and Social Outlook given by International Labour Organization. Global Economic Prosperities Report given by World Bank. Global Economic Prosperity Report given by World Bank. World Press Freedom Index given by Reporters Without Borders. Reporters Sans Frontiers. World Press Freedom Index is given by Reporters Without Borders.